Hello. Hello. Arthur's haircut is perfect. Right, Arthur? That's right. We got the Shans, and I'm kind of tired, but I'm hungry, very hungry, so I think we're gonna go get halal food, and then, bro, turn it down. Fuck. You're such a rat. And then I have to do some work before we can fuck around in New York. Arthur's world, and we're just living in it. Had to take the dogs for a walk before we go to the parade in downtown Manhattan. Should be fun. I think we're meeting up with a couple of your friends, right?
Yeah, I think they're there already.
Yeah, we're meeting up with a couple of James's friends that he met a couple of weeks ago. Shut the fuck up. And we're gonna meet one of our friends from Guatemala who lives in Brooklyn. Well, yeah, should be a good time. A lot of people in costumes. Crazy. So many people, holy shit. Kind of like walked in to the parade after watching it for a bit, and I'm Mario and that's James, and he is struggling with that. I found Toad, and I have the Koopa guy right here. He's handing out candy. We made it back to Manhattan. We had left the parade to go to Brooklyn to hang out with one of our friends from Guatemala. Just got back to Brooklyn. The parade was kind of just like chaos. We sat watching the parade for like 30 minutes, and then it was like, all right, well, this is boring. So then James and I decided to hop in the parade, walk the parade for a bit. In my opinion, it was hype for a bit, and then after a while it got really boring just because it was the same thing over and over again, just walking and like saying hi to people. I don't know. I was just like, this is boring. So we left to Brooklyn, met up with Sophia, but then it's like, don't really know her very well because we only met in Guatemala, and then it's like she was with all her friends, so then the feeling of being like a lost puppy sucks. Where like you're the only one person you know, it's like going around doing whatever, and you can't really do anything because you ask the same questions with everyone. So, but that happens with every like person. Overall, I've really been yapping. Fuck, it's 2 minutes. It was cool. Parade was cool. James was a shark, but tomorrow, no idea what we're doing. Olive is coming in from DC, which is hype. Haven't seen her in a while. And then, yeah. But that's gonna be it for now. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, have it better like mine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go. If you want feast, get the animal.